Hello, welcome back to this SVG course. In this course, I will teach you how to create SVG files to sell digital products on Etsy. Okay, for instance, if you're in the mom niche, mom shirt, you can go on Etsy and look for inspiration. You're not going to copy them, but you're going to be inspired by their designs, their text, their word SVG, and create your own. Okay, let's look at some shirts we have here. We're going to look only on text. You see this style? I will teach you exactly how to create this style. Mm-hmm. Excuse me. You see simple basketball mom shirt. This is a SVG, by the way. You see it here, and it's popular. Look just like the word mom, with a simple font, and you're there. Look at this, just the word mama. This like this here. We're going to do this one too in the coming classes. Let's see. You see words here. Okay. By the way, like these hearts and all these small pieces, you can find them on Creative Fabrica. You can go there and you can buy chunks of like I call them fillers, small pieces. You can get them from there, and then you can use them in your SVG creation. Okay, yeah, we're going to do all these ones too. So check in your niche. For instance, baby, let's go for baby. If you want to sell baby SVGs for baby clothes, you can go here. We're going to check text, Lucy. Simple text, and this one, this little thingy here. I think they got it from Creative Fabrica. Like simple text. People love them. You see here again, text. Cute stuff. You can mommy, you see? You can create SVG for these. You can, like I said, you can come on here and look for inspirations. And look, as this is also a simple one. These we can also do. Okay. So you look in your niche, or what you love and what kind of SVG you love. You want to make African American, Afro words SVG files. We can put Afro text or Black History Month. You see here with simple with simple Africa map, you can create files. You see Queen here. I'll show you how to do these ones. And escape where we are. Actually, I have to put Black History Month. Black History Month. Stay tuned, I will teach you everything. Black History Month. And you can come here, you see words bundle. It's the black for, you see that? Only words. You can make them. These are easy to do. Look at here, teacher with crayons, with beautiful crayons. You can see here, cute. You can come here and take inspiration. Inspiration and create your own. And create your own. Let's go here and see. You see here? Is the wearing black and dark color. You see here? Very beautiful. You see everything is better. Okay. Yeah, you got the idea what I mean. This can surely be done. This can surely be done. And I talk too much, and this is me right here. We go to my profile, and I am an illustrator, And here, okay, and here are my images. My design that I created, I used these in Inkscape, and look how many sales I have, and my how do you call this thing? My reviews. I have 790. I do text too, and I do illustration too, and all these I have created through the years in Inkscape. Okay, and yeah, so I know what I'm talking about. So come here and find your inspiration. Okay, find inspiration here on Etsy and create your own. Selling SVG is the easiest. Selling the word SVG is the easiest digital product to create. Look at this, just words. Look at this, just words. Um, let's say teacher SVG. Okay, it says bundle. Okay, teacher SVG bundle. Okay. This is also a bunch of words. They have text and images mixed, but look at this one. Only words. Words. You see here? Only words. Like I told you, the small hearts, you can purchase them from Creative Fabrica if you don't know how to do them yourself. Further there in the classes, in the course, I'll be teaching you how to create like this simple thing here. Like crayons, I do them too. And simple hearts, I'll teach you how to do them too. But if you have a niche or two niches that you can combine, go to Etsy and look for inspiration. Okay, look for inspiration and then do your own. Okay, and stay tuned for the other video. Do not miss out. I will teach you what I know. And I'm telling you, like, I'm design store contributing artist, and I know how to create SVGs. Maybe we can go there really quick. Let's go there really quick, and like I told you, I will show you that I'm there, and that I know what I'm talking about. I know what I'm talking about. Let's go to artists, and I know what I'm talking about. Oh, okay. And this is me, Poe Designs. And you see me here, my information. And you see, I design from scratch for these people. I design everything here is done in Silhouette Studio. Silhouette Studio and Inkscape. A few in Silhouette Studio. Let me see a few. Like this one is done in Silhouette Studio, but the rest is in Inkscape and Inkscape. Okay, and Inkscape. So you see the one I was showing you of mom and stuff. I'll be showing you how to create those too. Yeah. Yep. You see simple things. All these here are done in Inkscape. You see what I'm showing you? All these girls here done in Inkscape. Further in the classes, I will be teaching these too. Okay? I love these. These are so cute. Okay, thank you for watching. And go and find inspiration for text SVGs. Download your fonts from thefont.com. Buy from Design Bundles, Creative Fabrica, and all those places I gave you. And download them and install them into your computer. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next class. Be sure to watch it. Thank you.